गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? फाइनली हम पहुंच गए इस पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज के अंतिम पड़ाव पर। सो दिस इज डे 28 इन द 30 days exercise plan for CSE 2024 and we are here going to discuss the questions at 9 a.m. Welcome to Anjan Kalash IAS. I am Arpita Prakash and welcoming you on 3rd of March. You might be wondering that why is this the last day as I just said? Because you know that the remaining 2 days you have to use for completion of your any pending task and revision, right? So technically from exercise perspective this is the last day, but the rest 2 days you will just use it to complete this whole 30 days का plan. ठीक है, तो as discussed earlier we will be discussing about ancient and medieval history questions here. So let's see the question. Ancient का question कहता है that in Mahayana Buddhism, so you are seeing 3 names here. ठीक है, उनको क्या बोला जाता है? What are they known as? So what are those 3 names? So one is your Manjushri, second is your Avalokiteshwar. So Manjushri, Avalokiteshwar and Maitreya. ठीक है, so महायान बुद्धिज्म में इन तीनों को किस नाम से जाना जाता है? They are known as what? That you have to tell. Of course I'll be showing you PYQs and everything जब हम answers discuss करेंगे. Medieval history का question है that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is related to which particular sect? Okay. Then the article जो हमें आज discuss करना है, the last one, that president can make the provisions for discharge of duties of governor in extraordinary circumstances. ठीक है, कि प्रेसिडेंट एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी सिचुएशन में ये बात कर सकते हैं कि गवर्नर की ड्यूटीज डिस्चार्ज करने के लिए उनके पास पावर है. अब वो किस आर्टिकल के अंडर है? ठीक है, दैट हैपेंस अंडर विच आर्टिकल, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. देन करंट अफेयर्स में what you have to tell that this particular project Prayas is associated with. So the theme or the context of this project Prayas आपको बताना है. You don't have to give me any particular description or something, but just in one line or few words you need to tell that what it is associated with. ठीक है, मैप में आपको बताना है the first butterfly park in the northeast has been set up in which particular state. ठीक है, even if you're not able to recall the name of the exact place, that is okay, but at least state भी if you give, that would be fine enough. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गई हमारे आज के questions. अब अगर हम आंसर्स पे आएंगे, so we will be discussing the answers at 9 PM जब हम शाम को मिलेंगे, and I will be showing you of course the details and everything. जैसा होगा we'll continue discussing. ठीक है, so let's meet at 9 PM. Please have a great day ahead. Please try and solve the questions and finish all your tasks. और फिर हम शाम को मिलते हैं और आगे बात करते हैं. चलो, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.